Hey, it's Eran here. I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate payout when you are an affiliate for Skool. So I am due to receive a payout. You could see that basically this is my lifetime commissions. This is how much for the last 30 days. This is my account balance, meaning this is how much I can actually pull out. And this is what is going to be available soon. So I'm going to go ahead and click on payout. And then it says bank account setup incomplete. You started the process but you didn't finish. Click here to continue the setup or restart the process. I'm just going to click on restart the process. And now it's just going to ask me for my bank account. I'm just going to now pick Australia. Click on continue. It is going to take me to my Stripe account. Now, if you already have a Stripe account, you need to just log in, which is what I'm going to do. Authentication code. I'm going to use the same account that I already have. It's going to ask me for a photo ID to verify. Now I'm gonna grab my phone and scan it, scan the QR code. You can't see me doing that, but I'm just gonna do that. It's opening up Stripe on my phone. I've got my passport with me. I am clicking I'm ready. I'm giving permission to the camera, permission to Stripe to use my camera, and I'm taking a picture of my passport. I'm gonna submit the photo, and then I gotta take a photo of myself as well. It's submitting the photo, verification submitted. Now my phone says you can return to your other device. And then I gotta put my bank details, enter my bank details, agree and submit. Thanks for adding the information, we'll review it. It's taking you back to Skool. And now I guess I just have to wait because they need to verify and do all that stuff. Now if I click on payout, okay, it looks like it is connected. I can just click on confirm the payout, click on confirm. And it's on the way. Note that they probably took a small fee, like a transfer fee. And you can see now that there is an account balance of 0. I'm going to look in my bank account and see if it is instant. Looks like it's not instant, so I'll just have to be patient, and I'm sure it will show up very soon. Just wanted to let you know that I have a private Skool community where I actually answer all these questions in detail and within 24 hours. If you'd like to check it out, go to eran.link/myskool. Link is going to be in the description. Cheers.